Hi children, today I would like to teach you 9th standard English, that is Unit 6 Part B, Where the Mind is Without Fear poem. Unit 6 Part B, Where the Mind is Without Fear poem. Let us see about the poet. Rabindranath Tagore is one of the best known Indian writers who wrote both in his mother tongue Bangla and in English. He was a poet, playwright, novelist, painter, educator and musician. In this slide we can understand that Rabindranath Tagore is one of the best known Indian writers. He is capable of writing in both mother tongue Bangla and in English. He has such an ability. Tagore translated a collection of his poems, Geetanjali, which was published in 1912. In 1913, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. He is the author of the Indian National Anthem as well as the National Anthem of Bangladesh. So in this slide, we can understand his greatness. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his collection of poems, Geetanjali. Now we can see a summary in a brief manner. Rabindranath Tagore was a versatile genius and famous Indian writer. He was a dedicated teacher and educationist besides being a poet. Here in this summary, we know that Tagore was a versatile genius and famous writer and a playwright, a novelist and a painter. Here, Where the Mind is Without Fear is a poem that displays Tagore's deep reflections on the division of world into different kinds like binding, enslaving, victimizing humankind, social evils, like that. It shows that people are under slavery. Tagore is an optimist. He keeps good faith in man. According to him, our minds are full of fear. He says that the mind should be free from all fears. Tagore also says that the world is broken up by narrow domestic walls. Here, narrow domestic walls gives you the meaning that different kinds of social discrimination, different kinds of narrow thinking about our social life and different thinking about the variation of living standard and status. Narrow communal and religious feelings are the domestic walls. They spoil the unity among the people. Our votes are not coming out from the depth of truth. We are unable to work tirelessly. We are far from perfection. In this slide, Tagore wanted to convey the message that the people are still in domestic walls. They are not at all trying to come out from that. Unless the people knows the truth, they cannot come out from these domestic walls. The people are unable to work tirelessly because the people do not have perfection in their thinking. Our clear reasoning power is wasted like a stream that flows into a desert. Tagore's vision is to have a completely free society where access to knowledge is everyone's right. The poet wishes that his motherland should become a heaven on the earth. He offers his prayers to God to help the people of the country to get over this. Then they can hold their heads high. So in this slide, we can deeply get influenced by Tagore's vision. So he wanted the people to get access, to gain knowledge for everyone as it is everyone's right. He wished the earth to be a heaven. He wanted his motherland to be a heaven on the earth. He offers his prayers to God to help these type of innocent people to overcome all these problems. Then all the people can hold their heads high with dignity, individuality, self-respect, and so on.